Okay, so today we're gonna start a new world of Minecraft. Java Edition Survival. So I'm gonna have proof if there's no cheats on. So yeah, let's wait for it per loading. It's loading. And we're on my screen recorder that I'm recording with. As you can see it at the bottom. And it has a timer that is very, very annoying. And I don't know why, but yeah. Nice. That's what I want. But instead I do homework. Wow. Um, I mean I am learning, but I have to read. Reading is kind of annoying. I did just read that. Reading on a computer is better than reading a notebook. So I mean yes, study to get good grades. Even though I'm kind of bored. Why is it? Okay, it's okay. Ow. The village outpost. Already. Already. Oh my gosh. Tell me there's a village nearby. Well, I think it's. Oh, I think it's somewhere there. I mean, with a village nearby, we're already gonna get very good stuff. Oh, I wasn't a village. Well, that's okay. I can go to the village nearby. Oh no, they kill us. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Hi. What's your name, man? Ah, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Nobody kills me. Nobody can kill me. Or I will kill you. Ow. Just tell where the villager outpost is. I mean the village is. Oh my god, I have. Oh, seriously. See the villagers. I hate the villager outpost. I want the village. Where's the village? That's okay, I just got a bunch of flowers right here, as you can see, to decorate our house. So what should we do? For now, we start. Let's go find the village, why don't we? But there's also a lot of sheep here that might be very helpful. What's a village? Well, nice. We got some sunflowers to decorate our house with. Let's start by making an axe. I mean, a crafting table. I don't like this. That's enough for now, because I don't want to go from the beginning just going so hard. So, we should do this. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, I literally don't even know how to craft wood. Okay, I just sometimes forget. Yeah. Okay, nice. Wait, literally, come on, come to me. No woods. So then I'm gonna make an axe. Let's put that. No, it's burn axe. Like that. Just like that, we'll get ourselves a wooden axe that we're still gonna give an upgrade on. I mean, it still mines very slowly. I mean, breaks very slow, not mines. But, I mean, it's okay. Okay, should we kill some sheep and, no, not sheep, but then we can get the shears and give them a bunch of wood. Ooh, we can, like, bring them to our house. That's one thing. Look, let's not just fuss a lot about it. Let's just make it very slow. Let's start slowly. and then we'll make an upgrade. By the end of the series, we also might go to an Ender Dragon Tower. But we might, if you guys leave a like and subscribe right now, I'll just end the series and play it on my own. And you guys can't even see what happens. But if subscribe as well, I'll do it for them. Okay, let's keep mining wood for a little till we get at least 20. Okay, I was going to say something about where I have 20. Maybe a stack. Yeah. No, actually, they're almost going to be ready, so not a stack. No. But we are going to get a stack. Very soon, we are going to get a stack. Okay. Let's get some more wood. Wait, no, what the heck? Okay, just like that. We have to mine more. We need a stack. Stacks are better than the, just a few pieces of wood. We're gonna need a stack of this. And we're gonna go mining real quick. Exactly after this, so we can get iron. So now, for this today's goal is we get iron and some wool, so we can just go and stay there. And we build a little house and get wool. Also iron, so we can do shears. And an iron axe, so we can get even more things. So then we can maybe craft some stuff, trade them for a villager for some diamond stuff, maybe. Get emerald and trade, and yeah. But we have to find a village. Because I can't really see a village anywhere. All I see is a villager outpost. Wait, no, let's... Wait, what? Okay. Let's break with this one. Did we get a stack? No, I think we're like in 40. Okay. 40 more to go. Not bad. I just love Minecraft. But you guys tell me if you prefer Minecraft or Roblox, Bloxburg. And tell me which is your favorite Roblox game. Yeet. Just like that. Okay, I have a stack. Ooh, we have a stack of 1 egg. Perfect. Okay, we should really just craft some stuff, like shovels and stuff. First, let's get some sticks. How do we do a crossbow? Okay. This is a crossbow. All we need is a bow. Doom, 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 doom. We'll get a shovel and get an axe. Nice. It's better if we keep this one, but nah, it's okay. No, we should really make a furnace to get some like light. Like 8 is gonna be enough just for the furnace, so. And then we get also for an axe and a pickaxe. Because I really want to concentrate on wood in the same time so I can build a house with it, not with planks, you know? Because I always do it with planks, but now I'm changing my mind. I want it to look nice. to decorate our house. I don't really know why I really want to decorate our house, but okay, I think we'll have that up. That's enough for today. We should go make a furnace and do some lights. Nice. Wait, I think we need some. Let's get that. Okay, nice. We get a number, baby. Pretty nice. What were we trying to get? We can get a smoker? I don't even know what that does, but, no. No, no, no! I just go get more. Yes, I know we made an extra block, but it's okay. We can climb with the smoker, right? Oh, I can't even see what I'm doing. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. Where am I? Ooh, okay. Everything. Where is? I don't want to get there. Wait, I have to go one back. We're gonna get out of here, you guys. I promise. Let's find the light. Let's find light. Okay, there is the light. Nice. Perfect. Bingo. I'm sorry you guys can't really see, but oof, we are already getting to nighttime, so it's better if we just cover ourselves up. Okay, so what should we get? Let's risk it, you know. We have time to risk it. We just started this episode. We have time to risk it. Let's go kill some zombies. What? Oh, the monster hunter. We need an achievement. We're not afraid of these stupid monsters. Okay, but it's better we make some light. Okay, first we're gonna need a furnace. Ow. Okay, we need some more charcoal. This is already pretty much okay light, but we should really just shade a little bit and it will room for now, for today. We're already going to run. We can start doing it from now. Wait, we also need 6. It's okay. Let's do 1 torch. 4 torches. Nice. And there, we got 12 torches. Let's just mine for a little. To get some more charcoal. To make more. We might not do a very nice house for this episode, but we can still do it one day. And sorry guys, but I think we're gonna end the episode here. Okay, we'll make a next episode. No problem, no problem. It's okay, we'll make a next episode. Yeah, bye.